Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dog Man, Lord of the Fleas, written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey, as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Behind the Epicness.
Yo homies, it's George and Harold again. What up dogs? We're in 5th grade now, which means we're totally mature and deep. I think I might grow a mustache. Me too. Awesome! But our deepness and matureness comes with a high price tag. Our new teacher makes us read classic literature. Fortunately, the books have all been pretty good. Don't you agree, Harold? Well, I didn't really finish Lord of the Flies. What? But don't worry, I've seen all the movies a bunch of times. What movies? You know, my precious. Lord of the Flies is not the same thing as Lord of the Rings. It isn't? No! No wonder I flunked the test. Well, I read it, and it inspired me to write a new Dog Man novel. It's a story of savagery, a tale of consequences, a profound look into the constructs of morality, and one ring to rule them all. But first, a recap of our story thus far.
Our story thus far. One time, there was a cop and a police dog who got hurt in an explosion. When they got to the hospital, the doctor had sad news.
Boo-hoo. I'm sorry, but your body is dying, and your head is dying too, cop.
But just when everything seemed hopeless, the nurse lady got an idea.
Let's sew the dog's head onto the cop's body.
Okay, nurse lady.
So they did. And soon, a new crime-fighting sensation was unleashed.
Hooray for Dog Man!
Along the way, Dog Man has made some very awesome friends. Zuzu, world's greatest poodle, Sarah Haloff, world's greatest reporter, Chief, world's greatest chief, our hero, and one super evil enemy, Petey, world's most evilest cat, wanted for being a jerk. Recently, Petey tried to clone himself. I'll make a big evil villain, just like me! But instead, he got a tiny cute kitten who is nothing like him.
Papa?
What? Little Petey, world's greatest kitty. Little Petey's life started out sad, but it wasn't sad for long. Now Little Petey has a family. ADHD, world's greatest robot buddy. And that is a good place to start. Hope you all enjoy! Chapter 1. A visit from Kitty Protective Services. One morning at Dog Man's house, Little Petey and ADHD were hard at work.
Well, I'm all done reprogramming the Dogmobile. Now it's super easy to control. How's the hydraulic roof ramp coming along? Awesome! I can't wait until Dog Man sees it. Good morning, Dog Man. Look what me and ADHD did. We transformed the grand ballroom into the coolest clubhouse ever. Us three are going to be in a club, okay? We'll call ourselves the Supa Buddies. Most of the time, we'll just be our regular selves, but when danger rears its ugly head, we'll be superheroes. Look, I even made a cape for ADHD. And I made him a flip-o-rama mask. You just tape it here, and now he's brave, see? But if you flip it up, he's happy. He looks so different, you can't even tell it's him. So I'll be Cat Kid, you can be the Bark Knight, and ADHD will be Lightning Dude. This is gonna be sweet. Oh, it's time for breakfast. Cat food and cream for me, dog food and gravy for you, and nuts and bolts and motor oil for ADHD. Hey, I know! Let's all eat in Flip-O-Rama. It's an important part of this nutritious breakfast. Ready? Doorbell!
Don't you bark at me! And you stop barking too!
That's better. I was sent here by Kitty Protective Services. Apparently, you got a kitten who should be in school. Come with me, young man. Don't you dare growl at me! Kittens have to go to school! It's the law! You want to pay a fine? You want to go to jail? You want to lose custody?
It's okay, Dog Man. I'll go to school, and we can play together when I get back, okay? Bye, Dog Man. Bye, ADHD.
Meanwhile, well, hello there, little fella.
Hi, Papa.
Haha, I think you've confused me with someone else.
No, I haven't.
I'm a kindly old social worker.
No, you're not.
I only care about your best interests.
No, you don't.
Look, kid, I'm not who you think I am.
Yes, you are.
I am not your papa!
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not!
Yes, you are.
I'm not!
R2.
I'm not!
R2.
I'm not!
R2.
I am not!
You are too.
Yeah!
I knew you were my papa.
Look, kid, I'm not your papa. You're my clone. Clones don't have papas.
Well, I do.
Look, I have had it with you. It's not even noon, and you're already driving me nuts.
Yay! Hey, where's the school at, Papa?
We're not going to school. We're getting out of town.
Why?
Because you're in terrible danger.
Why?
I'm not gonna tell you.
Why?
Because every time I tell you a story, you always interrupt me like 1,000 times.
Why?
Because you're a pest!
Why?
Sit down!
Why?
Because we need to talk.
Why?
Look, it's very irritating when
Hey,
you...
Papa, you got one of nerves in your nose.
You just
I won't
interrupted!
interrupt anymore. I'll be good.
Alright, because what I'm about to tell you is
Hey,
very...
Papa, is this story gonna be boring?
No!
Okay, you may continue.
Well, it all started this morning when I
Hey,
was in...
Papa, you wanna hear a joke?
I am going to finish telling my story, and you are going to listen quietly with no interruptions!
Okay.
Chapter 2. Petey's story with many interruptions. Alright, listen carefully. This whole mess started today at sunrise. I was in my jail cell minding my own business when the guard comes in and starts messing with me. Yoo-hoo, Petey! What you doing? Nothing. Hey, you're not building a giant robot, are you? No. Oh, good. That's a relief. Well, come with me. It's time for your appointment. What appointment? You have to see the psychiatrist. I ain't seen no head shrinker. Sorry, Petey. The judge says you have to. Rats! So anyway, Petey, meet Dr. Katz. It's a pleasure to meet you, Petey. Yeah, I know.
Hey, Papa, that guy looks like the costume you wore.
Just pay attention. It'll all make sense soon.
Okay.
So anyway, my records show that you've been locked up here 7 times, and you've escaped 6 times. Yeah, well, it's been a busy week. Petey, we need to get to the root of your problems. Alright. I guess it all started when I was a kitten. I used to be in the Critter Scouts.
Hey, Papa, how come I'm wearing a hat?
That's not you. That's me when I was a kitten.
Oh.
So anyway, I used to be an awesome scout. Here's another badge for you, Petey.
Sweet.
I was on far and wide for my good deeds and merit badges. But it all ended one day when we went to play miniature golf. You kids play nice. I'm gonna go get some coffee.
Okay.
Everything started out great, but then a terrible storm arose. The whole place began to flood. We hit on a tiny boat, but the water rose higher and higher, and soon we were washed away. The storm raged for weeks and weeks. Finally, we landed on a deserted island. Well, Petey, what do we do now?
We must use our scout skills to survive. We can hunt for food, and we can use Petey's glasses, like this, to light campfires and stuff. Together, we can build up a utopia based on hard work, respect, and civility. What do you say, fellas?
We'll try our best,
baby.
9 minutes later, attack! Crunky the ape and Bub the crocodile had their own agenda, and soon, a pointy blade was before us, and hungry sharks with razor-sharp teeth were below us. And then...
Hey, Papa, knock knock.
Are you even listening?
You're supposed to say, who's there? Come on, Papa, it's a good one.
Who's there?
A flower.
A flower who?
A flower pooped on your head!
That doesn't even make sense! Look, kid, this is serious! I'm pouring my heart out to you! You need to pay attention!
Okay.
So anyway, there we were, Piggy and me, at the brink of death,
Like this!
losing the battle between civilization and savagery. When suddenly... Hey! What are you kids doing? I was gone for 10 minutes and you forgot to do maniacs! What are you, a bunch of animals? Did I find out who's responsible?
Petey did it.
Wait, so that whole part about the flood in the island was all make-believe?
Well, yeah, but that's not the point. The point is, I was betrayed. And then he started a fire.
Then he set my face to the sharks!
We're trying to stop him.
In the end, I got kicked out of the Critter Scouts. All my good deeds were erased. All my virtuous hard work meant nothing. Life was pointless. I guess things were never the same after that, Doc. And what about Piggy and Cookie and Bo? Oh, I got my revenge against those guys. Oh, I just made a few phone calls to the right people.
Hello? Animal Rights Union?
Soon, the whole organization was flooded with anti-discrimination lawsuits. The Critter Scouts was shut down within a week. What happened to Piggy, Cookie, and Bub? Who cares? I'll tell you what happened! Piggy?
We lost our badges too. Our lives became worthless as well, and we began planning our own revenge against you. Cookie and Bub are waiting outside, and now we've got you. We're gonna destroy someone you love. Your little clone.
Wait, you love me?
Just pay attention!
Okay.
So anyway, then we're gonna take over the world in a giant robo-brontosaurus. It's parked outside.
Oh God! That's not good. An evil pig just spoke in, and so looks Petey. I'll save it, Petey! Hold on, Petey! I'm coming for you! Oh, Cookie! Oh, Bob! Yeah, Bob? Help that go! Okay, Bob. Mariana! We're open! Bye, Dr. Cat. So long, suckers. Ha ha! So that's why I came to get you, and that's why we need to get as far away from here as possible.
But Papa, if the bad guys got locked up, why are we running?
Because they'll probably escape.
But how can they escape from a maximum security prison?
Who knows? Maybe something dumb will happen. Chapter 3. Something dumb happens. Meanwhile... Hello?
Help! There's been a jail escape!
Where?
At the jail!
Oh. I'll put my best man on it. Oh, Dog Man!
Dog Man is late for work again, Chief.
Dog Man! We need your help.
Meet us at the jail in 10 minutes, and don't get distracted.
Meanwhile...
Oh no!
What's wrong, Millie?
It's a giant robo-brontosaurus.
This is worse than I expected. Where's Dog Man? He should be here by now.
He's probably off chasing squirrels again.
We're gonna have to go in without him. Freeze! Suckers! 10 minutes later...
Hello, I'm Sarah Hatoff reporting from Cat Jail, where Chief and Millie have just caught 3 crooks. How'd they do it?
Well, first, they attacked us.
Let's roll the clip in Fliporama. Ready?
Things were looking bad for us, so we ran to the jail library.
And we're back using the power of books.
Let's book these bozos!
Okay, roll the clip.
Fliporama. Ready?
Wow, congratulations on capturing the crooks.
Thanks. I only wish Dog Man was here.
Yeah, where is
Dog Man?
I'm gonna find out.
Dog Man, where are you?
I can't wait to show him what we did.
Here he comes now.
Oh boy, this is gonna be great. No, wait, no! Stop! Put it out! Put it! Enough! Bad doggy! What is your major malfunction?
Oh no! They're getting away!
Ugh.
Come on, Zuzu. Let's follow them.
Dogman, those guys escaped because of you! Go home!
But Chief...
Sorry, Millie. He's gotta learn his lesson. And we've gotta catch those crooks again. Chapter 4. Revenge of the Fleas. Meanwhile...
Hey, Papa. Knock, knock.
Would you cut that out?
You're supposed to say, who's there? Come on, Papa. It's a really awesome one this time.
Who's there?
A sidewalk.
A sidewalk? Who?
A sidewalk pooped on your head.
That's not how knockout jokes work! Look, we don't have time for this. Get up! I'm not gonna carry you! Ah!
Hey, Papa. I got another one.
No!
Oh, come on. It's a super duper good one. Come on. Knock, knock. Knock, knock, Papa.
Who's there?
A big robot brontosaurus.
Ah!
Papa, you're supposed to say a big robot brontosaurus who?
This is hats off of the breaking news update. A fake robot brontosaurus is attacking, and the good guys are in hot pursuit. Now it's time for my exclusive interview with the crooks.
We're not crooks. We're regular maniacs. I am Piggy, leader of the Fleas.
The Fleas?
It's an acronym for Fuzzy Little Evil Animal Squad.
Boss, I'm not fuzzy.
No, not little.
We should come up with a better name.
Yeah. It's too late. I already ordered coffee mugs and mouth pads. Besides, we got more important things to do.
Not if we can help it. Flip-O-Rama battle. Ready?
So you think you're tough, do you? Well, take this.
Help!
It looks like you've reached the end, Petey. Hey, where'd they go? I bet they escaped down that sewer.
Hey, Papa.
What?
Knock, knock.
This is not the time or the place for that.
No, seriously. This is the best one ever.
Alright, who's there?
A ladder.
A ladder who?
A ladder pooped on your head.
Ugh.
Look, that's not how those jokes are supposed to go. Knockout jokes have a very specific structure. They're based on switching expectations. I'll give you an example. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Dwayne.
Dwayne who?
Dwayne the bathtub. I'm drowning. Don't you get it?
But you're not in a bathtub.
That's not the point. The point is, you were expecting someone named Dwayne. But I switch it around. That's why it's funny.
It would have been funnier if the bathtub pooped on your head.
What is it with you and poop? Look, you can't tell the same joke over and over and expect it to still be funny. You can't do the same things again and again and expect to get a laugh. You gotta avoid repetition, shun redundancy, eschew reiteration, resist recapitulation, and also stop telling the same joke over and over. Chapter 5. A bunch of stuff that happened next.
We now return with a breaking news update.
Meanwhile,
Where are we going, Papa?
we've gotta get out of town. I told you.
No, Papa. We gotta go back and save Sarah and Zuzu and Millie and Chief.
We can't. We don't have any weapons. All we've got is this measly old shrink ray. It only has 2 shots left.
But Papa.
Besides, I'm the bad guy. Everybody knows that.
But Papa?
I make poor decisions. I'm a scoundrel.
But Papa?
I can't be going around being all heroic and stuff.
But Papa?
I've got a bad reputation to uphold.
But Papa?
If you only knew the horrible things I've done, the awful, unforgivable things. I'm just evil, through and through. That's all everybody expects from me.
You can change, Papa. You just gotta switch expectations. Avoid repetition, Shumri Dumbledore, Etchuri Bibia blah blah.
Alright, I get the point. But if I help your friends, then you've gotta do something for me.
What? What, Papa?
That's it! You've gotta stop calling me Papa.
But why?
Look, we've been through this a million times. I am not your Papa. You're my clone. There's a big difference.
Okay.
Okay, what?
Okay, Petey.
That's better. Now let's go save those silly friends of yours. Meanwhile...
Petey! Oh, Petey! Come out and play! Come out, wherever you are!
Alright, kid, listen up. Here's the plan. You stay here while I sneak out there. If I'm lucky, I'll be able to shrink those jerks without hitting your friends. Whoa!
Did you drop your shrink ray?
Ah! Well, look who's here! Fire!
Hey, Petey. Knock, knock.
Enough with the knock-knock jokes. This is serious.
Oh, come on. This is the best one of my life.
I said no. You're just gonna make something poop on my head again.
I won't do that this time. Come on, knock, knock.
Alright, who's there?
A cloud.
A cloud who?
A cloud pooped on your nose.
Ah! I am panicked with... Look, Petey! I can't look!
Oh, hi, Dog Man. Oops, hi, the Bark Knight. Hi, ADHD.
Hey!
Hi, Lightning Dude. You guys look awesome in your costumes. I sure wish I hadn't forgotten mine. Ooh, my costume! Let's do this!
Chapter 6. Supa Buddies.
Super good, shoulda, coulda, knew I was super fly, super fresh. That's your mama. Super nice.
What are you guys doing?
We're practicing our superhero poses.
You know that the bad guys are here, right?
Yeah? Hi, bad guys!
Hi.
Don't wave at him! He's an enemy! It ain't any without the Superman that is! What do you have to say to that?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
An airplane.
Airplane who?
An airplane pooped on your eyebrow.
It's not funny! So you like that, huh? Here's a funny story. Once there were 3 evil villains who built a giant robot brontosaurus and a killer death ray. Sure.
Hey, you were right. That was a funny story. Hey, the Bark Knight. Now's a chance to save our friends. Ready? Go!
We're falling! We're still falling!
And I'm about
Well, it looks like this is the end.
Yep, we're about to smash into that factory. Rats!
Hey, it was nice knowing you, Sarah.
Same here, Chief.
Good work, Millie.
Thanks, Chief. It was an honor to serve beside ya. Bye-bye, Zuzu. You were a good doggy. Gee, I wonder what it would be like to not exist anymore. Well, when you think about it, none of us existed for trillions of years before we were born, and we didn't seem to mind it then.
Yeah, I didn't even know this.
True that.
Let's not cry because we're gonna die. Let's laugh because we got to live.
Yeah!
Hey, we didn't get killed to death.
And we get to eat yummy marshmallows. Win-win! Hey, look! It's our heroes!
Hooray for the Supa
Buddies!
Don't celebrate just yet, cause we're back. It took forever, but we finally got ourselves out from under that belly. And now, we're gonna finish you all off with one zap of our killer death ray. So you better say goodbye.
Bye-bye, Dogman.
So long, Sarah.
Au revoir, Zuzu! Adios, Millie!
We love you, ADHD.
Would you guys stop being so pleasant about everything? Go on, Zeppo.
Looks like we're gonna have a giant roller battle in Flipporama. Ready?
I don't know why you're helping those guys. You're a villain.
Yeah, I know, but I'm trying to change.
Oh, really? How's this for a change?
Flipporama. Ready?
Hey, Mr. Piggy Man.
What?
Knock, knock.
What is wrong with you? Why do you keep telling those stupid jokes?
Because it's distracting.
Distracting? From what? No!
Ready?
That's my papa. Oh, I mean, that's Petey. He's trying so hard to be good.
I always knew he had a good heart in there somewhere.
Chapter 7. The Darkness. 2 hours later.
Petey! We've been battling for hours and hasn't got us anywhere. So I was thinking, what are we fighting amongst ourselves? If you and I set aside our differences and we work together, we'd be unstoppable. I mean, really? Think of the fun we can have. Think of the cash we can swipe. Think of the power we can wield. Think of the chaos we could unleash. Think of the darkness we could inflict upon the unwashed masses. Haven't you always wanted a sidekick? A partner in crime? Isn't that why you created that dumb little kitten in the first place? Little Petey, what a whip. Oh, I'm little Petey. Oh, I'm so cute. That was so good.
You can change, Papa. You just gotta switch expectations.
So what do you say, old buddy? Let's ditch that obnoxious kid and go do some crimes.
Don't talk about my son that way!
Your son? I thought he was your clone.
Yeah, my clone. That's what I meant. Meanwhile, everyone was transfixed by the drama above when suddenly...
Awesome!
What?
I caught a firefly. Do you wanna see it? Fireflies give you good luck. Let's go catch some more.
Meanwhile...
So, you're gonna be a good guy now?
Maybe I will!
No way. You can't change your nature. You're always gonna be a jerk, just like me. But hey, if you really want to change so much, I found just the thing. Get ready for a big change. Dum-de-dum-de-dum. Yeah!
Oh no! Petey's in trouble! Let's go!
Woo. All of my enemies are together in one place. How convenient. Oh, Cookie! Oh, Bob! Cookie! Bob! Where did they go? Binoculars!
Come here, Firefly.
Those two idiots! When I get my hooves on them, what are you two doing?
We're catching fireflies.
I wasn't talking to you.
If you catch one, you get good luck.
I said I wasn't talking to you.
Hey, can you buy us an ice cream cone?
What part of I wasn't talking to you do you not understand?
The middle part?
Let's go!
Why?
Because we've got work to do.
Why?
Because we're the bad guys.
Why?
Because we've got issues.
Why?
Because we have difficulty controlling our emotions.
Why?
Because we... Hey! I don't have to explain anything to you.
Why?
Because you're just a kid.
Why?
Would you cut that out?
Why?
Because I'm in charge here. You're not the boss of me.
Why?
Because you're not!
Well, maybe I should be. Who thinks I should be the boss of Piggy?
Huh?
3 against 1. I win.
This is not a democracy! You guys don't get to vote!
Why?
Why?
Meanwhile, I can't believe you guys saved me.
We're the good guys, Petey. That's what we do.
But where's the kid? Where's little Petey?
I'm up here fighting with the bad guys. ADC! We gotta save Dog Man! Oops, I mean, Lightning Dude! We gotta save the Park Knight! Hurry! He's gonna crash into that building! Uh-oh. Oops! Dog Man, wake up! The bad guys are coming!
Well. What do we have here? It looks like you guys got yourselves in a big mess. Do you have any last words before we zap you all to smithereens?
Burp.
We'll tell you our last word in a minute, okay? Excuse me, Mr. Squirty. May I have this?
Okay, strange flying cyborg kitten I've never met before. Take whatever you like.
Thanks, Mr. Squirty.
Whoa!
So you return. Are you ready to tell us your final word?
Almost.
Oh no! He's got spray paint!
There's a hat! Oh!
Sweet. Now if I only had something to draw with. Oh, perfect. Let's see now. Okay, I'm ready with my final word. Here it comes. Squirrel!
Quadruple Flip-O-Rama. Ready?
Good boy, Dog Man.
What happened?
We missed everything.
Where's the kid? Where's the kid? Where is he?
Who's there?
Papa. Papa's here. Flip-O-Rama. Ready? Love sloppily.
Hey, Papa, look! Dog Man kissed us!
Yeah, lovely.
Hooray for Dog Man! Oops, we made the Park Knight!
Chapter 8. My Dog Man Has Fleas. Well, I guess we... Hey, what's that?
What is it, Papa?
It's that shrink ray I dropped back in Chapter 5.
Oh, yeah!
I wonder if it still works.
Let's find out.
Yup, it worked.
Sweet!
Hey gang! Petey saved the day!
Hooray for Petey!
Okay, Dogman, hand it over. Drop it. Seriously, give me the bad guys. Come on, Dogman, I have to take them to mini jail. Let go! Give it! gone! Now what you've done! The bad guys got away again!
I wonder where they went.
It sure is a mystery.
Oh well, I have a feeling we'll never hear from them again.
Something tells me the same thing. Well, come on, Petey. It's time to go back to jail.
Wait, what?
I've got to put you back in kitty custody.
But I'm a good guy now.
I know, but you still gotta pay for the crimes you did yesterday, and the day before that, and the day before that, and the...
Well, that's just great! I was good for like the whole book. It didn't make any difference!
Dog Man, I'm gonna go with them, okay? Don't worry, Chief will walk me home. Good night, everybody. Let's all play again tomorrow. Hey, wait up! Are you sad, Papa?
No, I'm mad!
Why?
Because it's just like when I was a kid. Life is pointless! If you're good, nobody cares.
You gotta be good anyway, Papa.
If you're kind, people just think you're weak.
You gotta be kind anyway, Papa.
If you're honest, people just try to trick you.
You gotta be honest anyway, Papa.
If you're happy, people just get jealous.
You gotta be happy anyway, Papa.
You can spend years creating stuff, then a big robot brontosaurus can come along and zap it all to smithereens in 2 seconds!
You gotta be creative anyway, Papa.
Yeah, that's easy for you to say. You're just a kid. You don't know what a rotten, horrible place this world can be. It can be so cold, so cruel, so unforgiving.
Papa, that's why we need to be good.
You guys are so sweet!
Mind your own beeswax, you rubbernecker! Petey, you're back! Hey kid, you wanna get some gelato with me after I escape tomorrow?
I don't know what gelato is, but okay.
Well, so long, Petey.
Good night, Chief.
Hey, Chief, what's gelato?
It's like ice cream.
Oh, sweet.
The end. But wait, if you thought our adventure was over, you ain't read nothing yet. Right now, George and Harold are busy reading another old-fashioned book, getting awesome new-fashioned ideas, and desperately trying to figure out how to remove permanent marker from their faces before their moms find out. Keep scrubbing! I am! So get ready for the next epic tale of maturity and depravity. Because an all-new Dog Man novel read aloud with sound effects is coming on this channel. Dog Man, Brawl of the Wild. If you like thrills, and you like laughs, and you like awesomeness, then Dog Man, read aloud with sound effects by C-Ret is go!
Dog Man read aloud with sound effects by C-Ret is go?
That don't make no sense.
But
we like it! Notes by George and Harold. Our favorite character from William Golding's Lord of the Flies is Piggy. The Piggy in our book is a bad guy though. The dialogue on page 147 was inspired by quotes commonly attributed to Mark Twain and Dr. Seuss. The conversation on pages 220 to 221 was inspired by the poem Anyway by Kent M. Keith. A version of this poem is inscribed on the wall of Mother Teresa's home for children in Calcutta, India.
I finally finished reading Lord of the Flies. It was awesome.
Harold Hutchins. Read to your cat, kid. The next day, hey kid, what's up?
I'm reading to my dog, man. kids who read out loud to dogs can improve their skills by up to 30%.
That's fake news!
It is?
Well, no, probably not, but it's only half of the story. Experts believe that kids can get the same benefits by reading out loud to cats.
Really?
Sure, kids who read out loud to cats can improve their skills and their confidence.
I'm getting better by the minute, kid. Me too, kid.
They become better communicators and participate more in class.
Yo, I got mad communicating skills, kid. Me too, kid.
And they have reduced stress levels because cats don't judge them. He accidentally skipped a word. She didn't even notice. But there's more, because now there's a new reading craze that's all the rage. It's happening at animal shelters everywhere. Kids, accompanied by a parent or guardian, can show up and read to shelter cats. The kids get all of the great benefits from reading out loud to cats, and the cats get the benefits of human interaction and socialization. This helps make it easier for shelter cats to get adopted. It's a win-win for everybody!
Wow, that's a great idea, Papa.
2 hours later, hey Petey, you've got a visitor! I do? Hey kid, what you doing here?
I came to read to my cat, kid.
Really? What are you going to read to me?
It's a book I wrote all by myself. See? Little Petey's 1,000 Greatest Knockout Jokes About Poop.
No! Check with your local animal shelter and see if you can volunteer to read to your cat, kid.